staycation sa pinakamagandang 5-star hotel sa Quezon City? Tara, let's go! Welcome dito sa Premier Suite Room ng Solaire Resort North. Pagpasok pa lang, meron ng console at mirror. Ito naman yung powder room at syempre, merong toilet with bidet. Nandito rin yung refreshments, water, ice bucket at Nespresso machine, tea, creamer at sugar. At syempre, may mini fridge. Meron siyang malaking living room na may napakalaking TV. May day bed with a view of Quezon City. Separate toilet, separate shower, his and hers bathrobe, his and her sink at napakalaking mirror na syempre kumpleto sa premium amenities. Huwag natin kalilimutan, may bathtub din to. Ito na yung pinaka-bedroom. May king-size bed, luggage rack, isa pang malaking TV, phone at kabilaang controls, view ng Quezon City at isang malaking daybed. Room rates dito start at 20,000+ pesos a night. Pwede nyong i-book via Klook or Agoda at pwede nyong gamitin yung codes namin. May mga restaurants, kids club, swimming pool with water park. Meron din silang food court. Meron din silang napakagandang fitness center at spa. Kung gusto nyo ma-experience ang isang 5-star staycation sa Quezon City, i-book nyo na agad ang staycation dito sa Solaire Resort North. Maraming salamat sa panonood mga ka-eats. Until next time, bye-bye!